All right, what's going on, YouTube? So, got one of my buddies called Truck. I'm working on. Uh, he do like he in the food truck business, and he does like fruit, and his company is called the Fruits for Soul. If I got a logo or something, I'll have it like right here, you know, coming up. But he got something going on with the starter. He got some wires that's kind of messed up, and it's not firing, and he got little issues with the starter, um, not turning over like it's supposed to, and yeah, and I think he got an issue with some wires. Well, his battery's not getting charged like it's supposed to, so I'm gonna just show you a little bit what I think that could be the problem. Got some wires right here that need to be like kind of addressed. Fix that one. Then he got a wire back here that goes to the back of the distributor. You got that one. It's a battery wire. That's what gives the distributor the fire that it's supposed to have. Then he got a wire back here. It look like it's broken. It's got a few. It's hanging on by a few. If you can see it. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. Zoom in a little bit. Right there. Got some wires that's broken up. I'm gonna fix that. Then look into some other little stuff anything that I see that can be a potential like hazard as far as like fire or anything like that, because I don't want anything to catch fire or anything like that, and just get it running and cranking up, and so he can make his money. But let y'all check it out, man. It's a good little truck. I like that little theme that it got. Yeah, I like it. It's called Fruits for Soul. He does real good with his business. Him and his wife, they're real cool, nice, down to earth people. I really like how they did the wood, and I think this is like a little shelf. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this, and then I'll turn it back on. All right, YouTube. So got it. I got the starter down, and he told me that he had some problems going on with some fuses popping and stuff like that. So I think I found out one of the problems. This wire that's going to the starter, it wasn't even hooked up, and it was smushed against the frame, and it looked like it's been burning out, and it wasn't even hooked up. It was supposed to be hooked up to the starter, and it wasn't. So I'm gonna get this off and cleaned up, then put on a new wire on there, and then we'll go from there. All right, turn it back on. All right, YouTube. So I got it running. I'm just show you a few things I did. I had to get that wire straight on the back of the tag. It was a wire broke on the starter. My phone went dead. I couldn't record and show you what wire it was, but it's right there on the solenoid. You can't see it, but I got it straight, and right now I just gotta tighten up some wires, and I think she'll be good. I'm gonna just show you right quick. go. She running real smooth. Alright. That'll be it, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe. We out. Peace.